Quiz 2.03, Reasoning Part 2, Example 5. Is each biconditional statement true or false? A polygon is a square if and only if the polygon has exactly 4 sides. So the converse has to also be true. So if a polygon has exactly 4 sides, then it is a square, where there are lots of 4-sided polygons that are not squares. So this one is false. A polygon has exactly 5 sides if and only if the polygon is a pentagon. A polygon is a pentagon if and only if it has exactly 5 sides. Both of those are true. A polygon has exactly 4 sides if and only if the polygon is a rectangle. A polygon is a rectangle if and only if the polygon has 4 sides. Well, there are lots of polygons with exactly 4 sides that are not rectangles. They could be squares or or parallelograms or trapezoids. So this one is false.